What up, guys? It's Legit Lawyer. You know, the other time I met a stranger who asked me about the document he would need to be very certified that he has a land in Nigeria. I said the major document is deed of transfer. Yes, it's deed of transfer. But beside deed of transfer, like I said, deed of transfer is a receipt of the fact that you've purchased the land from whoever you purchased it from. But that doesn't mean that you have a good title. To trace a good title or to have a good title means that whoever is selling you that land is the actual person that's supposed to sell you the land, and the person has a very legitimate title. And to know who has a legitimate title, you have to carry out search and investigation to know whether the title of whoever you're purchasing from is actually correct. For example, there are things to know good root of title. You know good root of title if the land is traceable to like 3 or 4 persons before the person that is actually selling to you. So you have to ask who sold to you and to trace where the land is coming from, whether it's coming from the community or whether it's coming from another person that bought the land from another person, or whether the land in actual interest from the land was derived from the Oba of Benin if you're in Benin, or from governor's consent, or from accession. Whichever way the land came about is how you know whether you have a good root or title. If it's a family land, you should know that, oh, it's a family land. So you should investigate these things to know that the person that is selling to you is the proper person. Because if a wrong person is selling the property to you, even if the property is legit, that means that you have a bad title. So in order for you to have a good title, beside the deed of transfer, you also have to do your investigation and make sure that whoever is selling that land to you has a good root of title. Thank you very much.